Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have a spoiler for the December BoxyCharm base box. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the comment that I picked from my last video, which were December spoilers for the Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate Box. Congratulations, Lisa415. Lisa says, hey Mandy. Why, hey Lisa, honey, you're first, and I really appreciate you having your bell on. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure you leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright, so guys, we're just going to go ahead and jump in this. Again, this is the December base box for BoxyCharm. So, he shows this little piece of clip, you know Joe. He's always showing some sneak peeks in the background, and nobody couldn't figure it out. Well, finally, BoxyCharm sneak peek figured it out. It is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Now, this is a 30 milliliter travel size, so it's valued at $22. Now, there has been no confirmation whether it's going to be a variation item or it's going to be in every box. So, of course, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers or come out with any more information, of course, you're not going to keep you updated. I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now, guys, let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, the girl with glasses. The girl with glasses says, hi. Love these videos. Well, thank you so much, girl with glasses. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so much. Remember, guys, you got to leave a comment if you want to get a shout out. And, guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, comments, likes. They're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you are. And if you're not, then why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm gonna need y'all to rate the video, but you're only gonna have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys leave this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another spoiler. You'll be on top of them all. That's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.